Hey, thank you for your purchase of Xpage Builder. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the software. The software is pretty easy to use, but let me go ahead and teach you how to use it. So first thing you'll do is log in. It might not have any of these boxes. So folders are pretty much your categories. You click on a plus sign and you go ahead and give it a name. So your marketing could be that, right? Things like that. You'll go and create a category. Now, after that, you can click on add pages here like this. Now let's go ahead and create a page by going to page, create a page, give it a name. So website name, it could be demo, like this. Now at this time we have some of these templates, or you can build one from scratch and we'll keep adding more templates as well. For demo purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and just pick one randomly here. So I'm going to pick car rental. And after that, it has been created here free right there. Don't worry about the date right here. It's just going to update once you go ahead and create your once you go ahead and build it out. So click on the builder. Now, give it some time. It's loading all the tools on the system. So it may take I would say about a minute or two for everything to load up. It has. There we go. Now, from here, I think you should just go ahead and play around, but let me give you the basics. So we have something called blocks. So header, intros. So this way you can actually create any kind of pages that you want. Pop-ups, testimonial. So let's say you wanted to add something up. Let's say content, or, I don't know, like this. And you just go ahead and drag and drop it. It's been added, right? Now, to modify things up, you have a few options. Option number one is if you want to, if you know coding a bit, you can go ahead and modify it like this. Or you can go ahead and click on it. But you have to go ahead and click on content here. Content mode, click on it, and you can modify it. You can also go to detail mode and click on it, and then you can change the details. So we have 3 levels: elements, content, and details. So element will let you add elements up, move things around. Content will let you click on things and modify things like this. And the details will allow you to make changes to colors, things like that right here, adding animations and things like here as well. And let's move on. So there you go. So if you wanted to click on it, you can change the color and stuff like this if you want to. And apply changes, and that's it right there. Apply changes, and we can cross it out. And let's move on. And on the left, I have all of these features. So call to action, PayPal, all of these things, right? What you can also do is go here and you can add multiple pages like this. Okay. And once you are done, make sure to save things up. So if you make a change, I recommend you guys change it up. Now I'm on a page that doesn't have any content, of course. So I'm going to go back to index. Make sure if you make a change, for example, let's click on content and click here. If I make a change here like this, and then you need to be able to actually save it like this. Okay. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on SEO. SEO will allow you to modify your page titles and things like that. You can also go ahead and modify your metadatas as well. Here you can add any codes like JavaScripts and etc. And let's go back here. Let's click on export. And when you click on export, you can do a lot of things. Like, for example, integrate it with your systems, your email response, things like that here as well. Really simple to do that. And once you are done, save it again and export it out, or right here, save it and export and assign a domain. So you have a couple of options. So you can go here. Once you click on it, now what you can do is, if you want us to actually host this page, you would go ahead and put your domain here and change your domain name CNAME. So CNAME to this. So what is a CNAME? CNAME is a DNS. So if you have GoDaddy, how to change CNAME. So changing a CNAME, it really depends on which registrar you have and which registrar you're using. So if you need help with that, talk to your hosting company or especially your registrar, and they will help you out. Okay, let's move on. Now, or you can just go ahead and click on download a zip file. It'll give you a zip file of your website, and you can upload it directly on your site as well. So you have that option right there. Okay, simple as that. And let's move on. Now that is how you can use it. And next up I have is if you opted. Make sense? So that's how the system works. Play with it. It works. So if you need to add a page on your folder, you click here and you pretty much go ahead and, just add it up, add a website, and it gets added right here. And you can come back here and click on a builder and get back on the system here like this. Okay. It's very simple. All you need to do is play with it, to be honest. It has everything that you pretty much need. Just be willing to play with it. That's all it takes. Okay. Take care. And if you need any help, make sure to open up a ticket with us. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.